This is CBeebies on YouTube. Find even more fun and games for your child at the CBeebies website.
Jackanory, Jackanory. Jackanory.
Tonight's story, from the Goodnight Storybook for Rebel Girls, is about a very famous lady, Florence Nightingale. Once upon a time, a baby was born to an English couple travelling in Italy. They decided to name their daughter after the beautiful city in which she was born. They called her Florence. Florence grew up to love travelling. She loved math and science, and she loved collecting information. Whenever she travelled to a new place, she would note down how many people lived there, how many hospitals there were, and how big the city was. She loved numbers. Florence studied nursing and became so good at it that the government asked her to manage a hospital for injured soldiers in Turkey. As soon as she arrived, Florence started collecting information and examining all the numbers she could find. She discovered that most of the soldiers were not dying because of their wounds and their injuries in battle, but because of infections and diseases that they actually got at the hospital. The very first requirement in a hospital, she said, is that it shouldn't make the sick even worse, it should help make them better. She made sure that everyone working there always washed their hands and kept everything really clean to reduce the risk of infections. At night, she would carry a lamp as she checked up on everything, making sure everything was clean and all the patients were getting better. And she would talk to them and inspire them to get better quicker. Thanks to her, many more soldiers recovered, went back to the battlefield, and made it home safely at the end of the war. Because of the way she would carry the lamp at night, she became known as the Lady of the Lamp. That's the story of Florence Nightingale. And now, it's time for bed.
Story.